What's up, guys? So we want to start testing the Autel, the new KM100 with the mini OBD that comes with it. Let's start testing. We have a 2018 Suzuki Smart Key. Okay, and we're gonna see if we can program the keys using the new KM100. So first of all, connecting the OBD. Connecting the OBD. We have to wait until it's connected to the VCI. You see right over here, there's a VCI with the X on it. Settings, VCI. Okay, and let's pair. And the VCI is paired, okay? The VCI is paired, so let's start. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go into EMO. Gonna go into EMO. Gonna go down to Suzuki. And we're gonna go into system selection. And we're gonna go into automatic location. So let it kind of auto detect the system. You can see the tool shows us the voltage of the car, the voltage. The battery of the device is a little low. I would not recommend working with such a low battery, but for the video, we're gonna do it. This is an 8-digit system. This is a BCM 8-digit system. And immobilizer remote control learning. Switch the hazard on, the hazards are on, and the ignition switch is also on. We're adding a key. Okay. So basically it's telling us to switch ignition on. If all keys are lost, there's a way to switch the ignition on through the fuse box in the engine compartment where we have a key, so the ignition is switched on. Okay. Let's read the IC code reading first. Let's start with that. Okay. So we get 2 different options for the codes. Okay. And now let's go into key learning. This function has to be carried out, okay. Please select yes to calculate online or no to enter manually. We read the IC code, we have it, so I'll press no. And this is the code that we just read out of the car. Okay. Okay. Now, take the key and put it onto the button just like this and press OK. First key completed successfully. We'll take the second key. Here's the second key, the new key that we're adding. Put it by the start button and yes. Okay. Okay, number of keys 2. I don't want any more keys. Learning completed. Okay. Let's disconnect the VCI. Let's disconnect the VCI. It's not healthy to start cars with VCIs connected. Let's turn off the ignition. First of all, let's start the car. Car starts. And now let's test both of the remotes to see that they work. So first remote. First remote and second remote. Perfect. So good job, Autel. Nice little tool.